In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook logo to your Canva design. Let's get started right inside Canva. First, make sure you're on the design where you want to place the Facebook logo. This could be a social media post, a flyer, a business card, or any other layout you're working on. Once your design is open on the screen, look over to the left-hand side of the Canva editor. You'll see a vertical toolbar with different options like templates, elements, text, and more. Go ahead and click on the option labeled Elements. This is where Canva stores all of its shapes, graphics, icons, or illustrations, and a lot of other design assets you can use for free or with a Canva Pro subscription. After you click on Elements, you'll see a search bar appear at the top of the Elements panel. Click inside that search bar and type in the phrase Facebook icon. Then press Enter on your keyboard or click the search button. Canva will now show you a variety of Facebook-related graphics and icons. Some may be simple flat logos, some might be circular icons, and others might be stylized or decorative versions. Take a moment to scroll through the results and find an icon that matches the style of your design. For example, if you're creating something clean and minimal, you might prefer a simple white or blue logo with no extra decoration. If it's a more playful design, you might choose a more colorful or illustrated version. Once you've found a Facebook icon you like, click on it once. Canva will automatically insert that icon into the center of your design canvas. From here, you can click and drag to move it into the exact position you want. Use the corner handles to resize it, making it larger or smaller while keeping the proportions intact. You can also adjust the color of some icons if Canva allows it. If the icon is editable, click on it and look at the top toolbar. You may see color boxes you can change to match your brand colors or the overall look of your design. When you're happy with the placement, size, and style, you're done. You've successfully added a Facebook logo to your Canva design using the element search and the phrase Facebook icon.